I'm going to add 50 grams of butter or margarine. Do make sure that it's quite soft so that it can be mixed in easily with the sugar. I'm going to add 50 grams of sugar. You can use caster sugar, white caster sugar or golden caster sugar. Now I am going to mix them together. Now I'm adding 140 grams of plain flour. I've cracked an egg into a bowl and given it a little beat with a fork. Now I'm going to add it into the bowl. Also 1 spoon of vanilla extract and mix those together. So with your hands, just push it together, give it a little knead so that it all comes together into one big ball. Okay, so I'm going to take that out. So now I am rolling out the dough. If you do find it's a little bit soft, you can put it into the fridge for a while and that will help it to make it more manageable. So you want to roll it out to roughly about the thickness of a pound coin. I'm going to use a star shape now. Bit in the centre as much as you can. And palette knife. So I have my shapes here and I've got some boiled sweets, different colours and flavours, and I'm going to put a sweet into each of the holes there. You can crush the sweets in between greaseproof paper or in a bag, and you can pile them up into each hole, but I've decided that I'm going to put a sweet into each hole. The hole is quite big here, so I'm going to put 2 into there, and it can be quite a nice effect if you have 2 different colours. So I'll put a red one there and a yellow one in there. To make holes at the top so you can thread through a little bit of ribbon to hang on a tree, you can use a straw and make a hole using the straw. The biscuits will be quite soft when they've come out of the oven, so this is a time, if you prefer, to actually make the holes for the ribbon or string to pass through so you can hang them on a tree.